Welcome to our channel. Get ready to be mesmerized as we take a closer look at Moong beans under a microscope. Join us for a fascinating journey into the microscopic world of these tiny legumes. Who knew beans could be so captivating? Before we dive in, let's set the stage. Moong, sometimes called mung beans, is a staple in many dishes worldwide, but we're about to discover its hidden charm. Get ready for a close-up view like you've never seen before. As we zoom in on our first mung bean, we're greeted by a world of unexpected details. The surface of the bean reveals tiny and shiny ridges and textures that look like something out of a sci-fi movie. Who knew beans could be so intriguing? As we continue our journey, we can't help but marvel at the sheer variety of shapes and sizes among the beans. Some are smooth and round, while others have quirky bumps and grooves. It's a bean bonanza. And just when we think we've seen it all, we stumble upon a bean that's unlike any other. Its surface glistens under the microscope, revealing a truly mesmerizing beauty. Who knew beans could be so magical? Well, folks, that concludes our adventure into the microscopic world of mung beans. We hope you enjoyed this fun and entertaining journey as much as we did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time,